There is real hope that what is happening in this lab just might lead to a cure for HIV.
That we have found an innovative way to kill the virus by finding this small region of HIV that is unchangeable.
Dr. Sudhir Paul and Miguel Escobar are not just talking about suppressing HIV. They're talking about destroying it permanently by arming the immune system with a new weapon that their lab tests show works.
I'm on 4 different medications, and 3 of them are brand new, and it's the first time I've ever been non-detectable.
Ford Stewart has been HIV positive for 15 years. A powerful drug cocktail keeps the disease in check.
I'm down to about, just for the HIV, just about 9 pills a day, 5 in the morning and 4 at night.
But he knows that HIV mutates, and eventually it will learn how to outsmart his medications.
The virus is truly complex and has many tricks up its sleeve.
But at the University of Texas Medical School at Houston, Dr. Paul thinks he has cracked a code.
We've discovered the weak spot of HIV.
They've zeroed in on a section of one key protein in HIV's structure that does not mutate.
The virus needs at least one constant region, and that is the essence of calling it the Achilles heel.
And the Achilles heel is their way in. The doctors discovered a way to take advantage of it with something called an abzyme.
With our targeting molecules.
Those are naturally produced by people like lupus patients. When they applied that abzyme to the HIV virus, it permanently disarmed it.
What we already have in our hand are the abzymes that we could be infusing into human subjects with HIV infection, essentially to remove the virus.
This could be used to control the disease, and maybe they don't need any more the antiretroviral medicines.
That's worth saying again. This could be used to control the disease in people who already have it, or prevent it for people who are at high risk. It's held up in lab tests, it's held up in animal tests, and human trials are next. Meanwhile, in Houston, 3 people every day are diagnosed with HIV.
Clinical trials are very expensive.
They still need funding to launch human trials. And in the world of HIV research, that is often where things fall apart.
This is the worry of any researcher. These are what nightmares are made of after 30 years of work if you find it doesn't work.
But so far, it's working.
This is the holy grail of HIV research, to develop a preventative vaccine. If we can get the viral loads down to manageable levels, that already will preclude the need for these conventional drugs.
But even if everything goes well, it's at least 5 years before this research could help people with HIV.